friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Professor Tangrowth from Pokopia, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So splitting our paper in half, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll leave our gap here, stepping across on the right, replicating that, drawing that at the same size. Let's move in for the pupil. So right in the middle here, drawing in another circle in the center. And now right in the middle, let's just color that in black. Let's move underneath now for the glasses. So coming down in the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines. Now from the top of this here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that back in to that line. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the center, let's draw in another circle right in the middle. Now let's move up. So we're going to draw in a small straight line across. We'll curve this around and in towards the top on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing coming through on the right. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, down, around, curling that back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. So curving this out, down, tucking this over, and then just spiraling that back in. Now from here, stepping up, we're going to curve this line out and in, leaving a gap in the middle. Moving up above that now, we're going to start on the right hand side, curving this around, tucking that up, connecting that together towards that line. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. Now let's come up. So we're going to leave a small gap here. We're going to curve this out and down on the right. And then again, one more time, just curving this over and back in. Let's move up above that here, curving this around and back down. Now let's leave a small gap here, and we're just going to curve this line up in, spiraling that back around, tucking that down. Beside this spiral here now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that CD on the top of the hair. Right in the middle, let's draw in another circle. Let's close off the top. So rounding this out underneath, we're going to arch this over and down. And then underneath, we're going to tuck this down, over, and through to the top. Let's come out. So we're going to step over on the left, curving this around and in. Moving back up, tucking this in behind. And then again, one more time from that point, just rounding that out, curving that down in the middle. Now let's come down in the center. We're going to leave quite a big gap here. We're going to curve this line in, around, out, up, and over. We're going to leave our gap, lining that up at the same height and replicating that. So curving that out, in, back up, bringing that further out and through to the top. Let's close this off in the center with a curved line. Let's move up. Rounding this out, curving that in. Stepping over again, moving up slightly, curving that through to the top. Let's move out again. Rounding that out, tucking that in. Let's step further up, curving this around and through to the top, leaving a gap. Now, one more time on the right, we're just going to curve this around and in. Let's come underneath. So stepping in, we're going to curve this around and up towards that point. We'll move over again, replicating that. Stepping out, curving that through to the top. Again, one more time, rounding that out, curving that in. And then coming down, curving this around and back up to finish that off. Let's draw in that left arm. So we're gonna come underneath and we're gonna round this out, curving that across. From here, we're gonna step down, drawing in a straight line that comes up. Now to finish the rest of the arm, coming underneath, we're gonna curve this around, up and over. And then we're just gonna round this out, tucking this in behind. Let's continue the stick here. So we're gonna round this out on the top, and then we're gonna pull this straight down on the left, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with a curved line. Let's round this out on the top again. So from that edge, curving that in for the first finger. We'll do the exact same thing for that center finger. And then one more time, moving up, rounding that out, curving this over and back in. Let's close this off with a curved line on the top. And now for the thumb, we're just gonna round that out, curving that up. Let's continue the stick behind. So imagining that this pulls through, just drawing in a small diagonal line. We'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side. Now from here on the right, we're gonna bring this out on a diagonal, curving that slightly, pulling that back. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, curving this out, rounding that out, pulling that down. Let's draw on the right arm. So coming underneath, we're just gonna curve this around and down. And then stepping up, we're gonna curve this around, pulling that in. Let's draw in the thumb. So we're gonna come down from this line and we're gonna curve this around and up. For the first finger, stepping up, we're gonna curve this around and in the center, tucking that over and up. And then one more time, rounding this out, curving this around and in towards the hand, just making sure it touches there. Lastly, let's just draw in our feet. So leaving a gap in the middle, coming out, we're gonna curve this over, across, pulling that back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then let's close off the sole of the shoe by arching this over again on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Professor Tangrowth from Pokopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.